unplugged, we fixed it.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Let's go, Colby.
We're back with the hockey special one-on-one, and it's me versus my brother Tyler. I am the Chicago Blackhawks. He is the Tampa Bay Lightning. Let's go.
I shall be the Lightning for this game. Starting Bishop in the goal. Go Bish.
And I got Corey Crawford in the goal.
Go Bishop. Let's see if I can get it. Ooh, that's a good shot if that got it.
Patrick Sharp's got a goal.
Now Stevie Stamkos in the ice. Here we go. It's Colby! Fucking asshole. Time.
Alright, time out. Sorry.
Really? Don't shoot for this side. Please.
Alright, fine.
Come on,
I
dude.
know that would happen.
Yeah. 1-1. I'm hitting weaker on film. I don't know why.
Yeah, so am I.
Here we go. Stamkos with a 2-1 lead. I thought it went wide. Nice shot, Terry Carolina.
Hey, first one to 7 wins.
Yeah, we know.
And gets 2 tokens.
Winner gets 2 tokens. Hang on. Oh, it is playing all my shots. It's playing all my shots, but not yours.
Really?
Yeah, so your angle has to get my shots. So that's gonna be kind of cool to watch both angles, you know?
Yeah, you're gonna have to airdrop it to me.
Airdrop my video to you?
Yeah.
All right. 4-4. 4-4. Getting all my shots on goal too. It's pretty cool.
Time out.
No.
Guys, look, I see mine.
Huh. Hey, Haley's your sister.
Give me a second.
Oh my.
Perfect. Alright, you ready?
Shot took down the video. Don't get a penalty shot on you.
Penalty, there are no penalties.
Yes, there is. If you cross the line, it's a penalty. Free shot. No goalie.
Time out.
The same thing happened to me too. 3-minute game. Does play really good.
Yeah.
Hey, no. Lean your camera, set the coins in front.
It's good.
Okay, here we go.
Gosh.
We have a 4-minute game of air hockey going here, so it's pretty.
I think mine's got a kind of good shot, but
Here we
it's
go.
dark.
6-5. Will the Lightning? Oh, 6-6.
Patrick Sharp.
6-6. Oh, he scored. So that's it for this game of air hockey. 7.